can see here the Dreamliner is getting pushed back, so we're eyes on for the rest of the stream here for the Air New Zealand 787 Dreamliner, which is NZ8577 I believe, but it's also got a special 787 Dreamliner ready to depart from a very windy Christchurch. Here we go. Sorry guys, here we go, we're back on. Eyes on. Have an awesome flight, guys. Fantastic. Oh, a low turn there. Wow. Bit of a slide there. Tokyo Drift, man. Awesome. Trying so hard to keep this in frame for you guys. Looks like it's almost just stopped in the air. Awesome touchdown there. Welcome back, NZ VIPs. Yes, look at that. Fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Great to see you, Dreamliner, at Christchurch Airport. Look at those fan blades too. See those rotating? Wow. In collaboration with the Koru Care here in Christchurch. So every year, I think it is, every year or every 2 years or so, the Koru Care guys will collab with Air New Zealand, and Air New Zealand will collab with the Koru Care guys to make the wishes of young children come true. And this year's just so happened to be a flight on an Air New Zealand 787 Dreamliner on a bit of a tiki tour around the South Island. So incredible stuff there from Air New Zealand to runway 20 for a departure. It's going to be beautiful too. The sun's just started coming down, So it's almost kind of turning into what we call the golden hour here at Christchurch Airport. If I was staying just a little bit longer, I could have captured the Emirates A380, but that's a little bit too far out for the time being. But here we go. Boeing 787 Dreamliner, Air New Zealand. Lining up, runway 20. Heading back home to Auckland. And then, through the information I'm given, on to Shanghai. Here she comes. Wow, how good does that look? Look at those wings. Landing gear shot. Oh yeah, there it is. The New Zealand flag in there, real quick. Beautiful. Following this beauty out. We'll follow her out for a little while, guys, and then awesome time and place to end the stream as it floats off into the distance there.